Let me show you easily the best value of money travel backpack that you can currently get. And when I say the best, I actually really mean it, because I have been using this backpack from TomToc for a while, and generally I'm super impressed with it. So not only we get top the line build quality on this backpack, so the durability and build quality really is top notch on this backpack, and you usually actually do not see this kind of quality at this kind of price essentially. Then also it's super lightweight, so again it doesn't really weigh anything at all. So we get tons of compartments, and best probably of all that, it's actually mega comfortable as well. So if I actually compare to my other backpacks, then again, if you simply need to walk somewhere for a very long time, essentially, I think this is probably the best out there. So it's very lightweight, and also, for example, if you wear it maybe in hot weather, basically, so my back usually starts to sweat a lot basically in most backpacks, but with this one I stay cool, and again you can easily use it for basically extended time. Again, it doesn't wear you down. First, when it comes to the capacity of this backpack, we get 40-liter capacity, which really is plenty enough to stuff in most of your belongings. And also, maybe if you also need to take it on your airplane, again, it will be suitable for most airlines as well. By the way, also, if you for some reason also need to squish it down to a much smaller size, we can easily do it with these straps essentially. So you see, we can use these to essentially basically make the bag much smaller as well. So again, if you have some limits for airlines, again, you see, basically we can use these attachments over here to basically make it even smaller if needed. Also, only recently, after getting stuck in rain with this backpack, I also found out it's actually totally waterproof. So again, if you actually get it wet, basically it's not a real problem for this backpack. So as you see, literally just shake it off, and again, it will keep your belongings completely safe. So absolutely amazing quality. And let's check out everything we actually get on this backpack. First, when it comes to handles, we actually have multiple handles on this backpack. First, on the top over here, as you see, we have this very nice quality chunky main handle over here, and you see basically all the finishing touches are also absolutely superb on this backpack. Then if I flip it over, basically on this side I also have extra handle over here, and essentially I can take the bag like this. Then also in the middle of the backpack we even have extra handle as well. So you see, you can even take it like this as well if needed. Also, the shoulder straps on this backpack also is really top class. Not only they feel very comfortable, but again the build quality really is top notch, and with all the attachments you need essentially. And then also, as you see, basically on the back of it we also have like a really nice padding over here, and again the basically design is actually really decent. So again, if you actually wear this backpack for a long time, especially in the hot weather, I find there is actually like plenty of ventilation in this backpack, and again basically your back doesn't get wet essentially from sweat or stuff like that. So again, perfect if you simply need to wear it for extended time. And if you check out the zipper quality on this backpack, then also they're actually top notch really. So they're actually very easy to open, they slide very well, and also basically if you look up close at the quality, you can see that these are definitely premium zippers basically used in this backpack. So again, usually at this price you actually never get these kind of zippers basically. As you see, they're also lockable if needed as well, so you can basically lock them together, so if you want to prevent basically someone accessing your contents. Also on both sides of the backpack we also get really decent side compartments, and I find they're actually big enough to hold 1.5-liter water bottle over here, for example. See, absolutely perfect. And basically the same on the other side. So you can see we can actually insert this very large water bottle over here. So yeah, when it comes to practicality, yeah, top notch. And let's check out all the internal compartments of this bag. First, on the top over here I have one over here which maybe is suitable for a couple of books, so maybe like 3 decent sized books over here. Then basically we have like this quick release, basically that pretty much takes off the whole basically top of the backpack over here. So you see it goes over here all the way basically over here, so from here all the way over here, and then we get essentially pretty much access to the whole backpack. Okay, and this is essentially what it looks like inside. So again, we can quickly very easily stuff something inside over here. Then over here As see on the top, I have like very small compartment over here, again just for some stuff. Maybe if you want to store some power banks over here, you can do that. So again, the size is actually really decent, and again, actually I'm very impressed with the overall zipper quality on this. So they open very nicely. Again, I think these should last you for pretty much forever essentially. So then let's see, if you want to open basically the whole backpack over here, we can do it. So we have the two zippers over here, then simply opens. Okay, you see we can pretty much open it completely up. However, for most basic tasks, I reckon we'll be simply using it as a regular backpack, so we can simply open it a bit and then we can take basically out basically anything we bought from this backpack. Again, so when it comes to usability, as you see, we actually have like really decent compartments over here. But again, if needed, again, we can open it completely up if you need pack basically a lot of stuff over here. For example, over here, basically we have one more compartment over here if you need some stuff over here. So when it comes to laptop usage, so over here I have 14-inch laptop over here. As you see, it slides in pretty much perfect. So again, this top compartment, again, maybe for like 14-inch laptops maximum. And you see, we also have like real decent protection over here as well for your laptop over here, and also this clip over here that we can use to close it, so it won't actually slide out on us. But if you maybe have like larger laptop, then we can simply use this other compartment over here, and you see it's much more here. Yeah, basically, you see we can maybe stuff in like almost like 17-inch laptop over here, I reckon. So yeah, top notch. And if you're wondering what are these red tabs over here for, so basically if you actually are too lazy to open up basically each individual zipper on your bag, you can simply use these tabs over here. Yeah, how cool is that? So essentially we get access to the main compartment basically from the inside as well on this backpack. And this is what the bag looks like when we fully load it up. So I have loaded it up to the brim. I can't really get in anything more in this bag. Still, even at this size, the chest straps actually provide very good support, and you can easily walk like this for several hours probably. So yeah, again, overall comfort when you actually wear it, even fully loaded up like this. Yeah, top notch really. And let's check out how much we can actually stuff inside in this bad boy. So you see it's actually stuffed to the brim. First, I have absolutely massive power bank over here. Then also like almost 1.5 liter water bottle over here. Okay, so for example, on the top compartment I like store basically various cables, maybe like your chargers, like a smartwatch, your phone. Okay, one went off. So again, you can store quite a lot of basically small things basically in top compartment for very fast access essentially. Then for example, over here on this small bag, you can also maybe put in some kind of books over here. So again, space for maybe like a couple of books essentially over here. Then for example, we can open up this compartment over here. For example, I have my earphones over here. Then, okay, maybe a couple more books or papers or whatever you will need. Then, for example, I have, okay, basically one 14-inch laptop over here, and I have another bigger laptop, so 16-inch laptop over here. So we can easily store two laptops in this bag essentially. So probably we can even stuff more stuff over there. So it's actually not fully stuffed. Okay, so and then let's open up basically this big compartment over here. So again, you can also like close these for if you need to shrink it down or whatever. Then for example, over here I literally have a full-sized helmet, so when I need to drive my e-bike essentially. So again, literally yeah, a full-size helmet actually. So maybe some clothing over here, again more clothing, maybe extra pair of hiking shoes over here, maybe another waterproof jacket over here, another jacket maybe. And essentially this is what I was able to actually stuff in this one single backpack. So again, to stuff in all of this in that one backpack, I mean, it's absolutely ridiculous. Yeah. And overall, is this TomToc Travel Backpack actually worth it, and should you maybe get one? Well, yep, if you're looking for extremely high quality backpack that won't break the bank, then I think this is probably one of the best options over there. Not only the build quality is superb, the size is actually real decent, it's also super comfortable. So again, for this price, what this backpack costs, I think it provides like insane value for money. By the way, if you're looking to get this backpack, in the description I'll leave the cheapest place where you can get it. By the way, full disclaimer, TomToc actually sent me out this backpack to check it out. However, they haven't actually paid me anything for this review or asked to, yeah, basically say anything about it. So again, and they're not even seeing this video before it goes live. So again, if you want to get the best deal on this backpack, simply check out those links in the description. Yeah, for this price, this backpack costs, I think it's absolutely insane value for money. Anyway, good luck.